2,157. The total number of tips, hacks, tricks, and nuggets of knowledge I have given to you on how to be more attractive. Truth is, if you actually implemented all 2,157 tips, you would explode from sheer awesomeness. You're still here, so I'm assuming you've missed one or two videos, but the good news, gentlemen, is that today I have narrowed it down to 10 easy ways anybody can look more attractive without even trying. I'm talking like minimal effort, because some of these tips, I gotta be honest, they take a commitment. Working out, eating right, being nice to Brad, and dressing like a sex machine, right? These take commitment, but the ones I'm going over today, they are quick, they are easy, and they are guaranteed to make you more attractive. Number one, be real. Gentlemen, there is nothing that makes you sexier than being yourself. The world is full of posers, hacks, and losers trying to act like they're something that they're not. Gentlemen, the sexiest, most alpha, most attractive thing that you can do is be real. It doesn't mean that everybody's going to like you. It doesn't mean that you're not going to piss some people off. But at the end of the day, you're you. And you are pretty awesome. The second easy way to be more attractive without any effort is show the left side of your face. So the Journal of Experimental Brain Research actually did a study, and what they found is that like 99% of people feel that the left side of their face is more attractive. When we're taking a picture, what I'd recommend is angle it slightly so that the left side is facing the camera. Check it out. Here to here. It's a birthmark. Number 3 is stop crossing your arms. Do you see what happened there? Exactly. When I'm here, I don't look very friendly. Seriously, do I look like I want to talk to you? Do I look like I want to engage you? The answer is no. But now, look at that. What happens? My body language, my posture, it looks more inviting. Now, I look like I want to hang out and chat, which is awesome. Speaking of awesome, number 4, show a little skin. Not that. This skin. Forearms are sexy, with a capital sexy, apparently, according to women. And it's crazy, because when you think about, oh, what body parts would women find most attractive? You're gonna think biceps, chest. No, forearms. Fifth easy way to be more attractive is smile at people. Smile is the most important nonverbal communicating tool that you have, and everybody has one. Now, this doesn't mean that everybody loves their smile. And if you're somebody who isn't smiling or is afraid to smile because you got jacked up teeth, gentlemen, get them fixed. Life's too short not to smile, and if you're somebody who's embarrassed of their teeth, maybe you've got crooked teeth or you're missing teeth, guys, save up, get a second job, go get them fixed. I have definitely been loving my smile ever since I started using Ollie. Look at that smile, exactly, freaking white, it's dazzling, and the reason is because of Ollie. See, here's the thing, as you know, I drink a crap ton of coffee. I also enjoy red wine. Those things stain the crap out of your teeth, but my teeth are not stained. Why? Because I use Ollie, and so can you. Gentlemen, here's the beautiful thing about Ollie. It is designed not only to transform your smile, it also helps you keep a dazzling white smile. Month number 1, you're gonna get this, which is the Ollie Transformation Kit. It comes with a shade guide along with 12 Ollie teeth whitening strips. Month number 1, you're gonna use all 12 teeth whitening strips. Now, most people use them consecutively, like day 1 they start, and then each day after that they use another strip. Days in a row, isn't that gonna make my teeth all crazy and hurt like the others? Gentlemen, no, and that's the other beautiful thing about Ollie. Ollie's designed for people with sensitive teeth, which is incredible. Now, if your teeth are like crazy nut sensitive, you might need to skip a day or two, but most people report absolutely zero sensitivity. And then in month number 2, you're gonna get this, which is the maintenance pack. It comes with 4 Ollie teeth whitening treatments, and then once a week, you're going to use one of the treatments. In each treatment, you only have to wear for 30 minutes, and it's not a bunch of goo or anything like that. You can talk on the phone. Me personally, I Ollie when I'm driving. It's quick, it's easy, and by the time I get to where I'm going, my teeth, the other beautiful thing is the price. Ollie is ridiculous, and that was one of the goals, to make it super freaking affordable so that everybody can have a smile that they love and that they're proud of. Guys, hit that link down below. It is special. It is custom to me and you. There's also a discount code. The discount code is going to save you a bunch of cash off of whatever Ollie system you want to buy. We've got annual, we've got month to month, and we've got just the transformation kit. 3 different options, guys. It's quick, it's easy, it's simple. It's Ollie. Over the years, I have tried and used a ton of different teeth whitening products. And in my opinion, Ollie is the best on the market. And the reason is because there's no messy gels, there are no trays, you only wear them for 30 minutes, they don't make your teeth like super freaking sensitive, and they work. You gotta hit that link down below, use that discount code, and grab Ollie today. 6 easy way to be more attractive is stop complaining. If you are somebody who is constantly like bitching and moaning and complaining, people view you as unattractive. They also don't want to hang out with you that much because there's nothing worse than hanging out with somebody who's just all negative and pessimistic. The only thing you should be complaining about is how to juggle all the spicy senoritas that are coming after your sexy ass. Gentlemen, do not be a pessimist. Be optimistic. The 7th easy way to be more attractive without even trying is wear enemies. The 8th easy way to be more attractive without even trying is stop looking at your phone. Put your phones away. This includes, but is not limited to, when you're having a conversation with somebody, when you're at dinner, when you're trying to impress somebody, guys, turn your phone on silent, put it away, turn it off. I don't care what you do, just get it out of these hands. The 9th easy way to be more attractive without even trying is done a zillion different studies, but all the studies are pretty much the same. They take a ton of sassy senoritas, they show them a bunch of pictures of dudes at various stages of hair growth on their face, from clean shaven to a few day stubble to 10-day stubble to big bushy beards. What they found is that women view guys with facial hair and beards more attractive than guys that are clean shaven. Don't shoot the bearded messenger. I'm just letting you know, if you want to be a little more attractive, stop shaving. And last, but certainly not least, the 10th easy way to be viewed as more attractive without even freaking trying is ask questions. Engage people. Ask them how their day is, what's going on, what's new, what are they doing this weekend. There are so many different questions that you can ask. It's small talk, and honestly, if you can develop your small talk skills, you are super freaking attractive.